Hey y'all, it's your girl Classy C and I am back with another video. This is gonna be a hair tutorial and a little makeup tutorial also, so you guys stay tuned. I'm not gonna talk a lot because I'm a little sick, but I hope you enjoyed the video.
She fight the tape, you know, in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She fight the flight, nigga, in this cat. She fight the flight, man, on way out of here. She fight the flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swaggin'. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a begging. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parking 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking ninjas that look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like keep my religion. This could be a man, they a sad vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them they touched 100, this off the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I trap out the bendos, been put on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no footing, no matter what I'm in. I have touch of action, no basic Korean. You fuck with me good, bitch,
you wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a star. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Quad 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out the truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down off the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, you wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Quad 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my mud nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I tore that bitch like an ass fuck. When I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beats. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me, you wanna see what's up. You wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Quad 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks.
No more. It just might be a swear, just might be a what am I missing? Always taking all day time. I got what a nigga. It's just too much to take on. What am I missing? Seem like a game or from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me at the club, one hidden. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more. Say, love is a losing game, so I just might be
body. I work at Farley's, they don't fuck anybody. Must think my mind is doing la-dee-la-dee. I know that you have bodies, have the bodies. I signed up when I called you Ronnie.
That you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, you skinny. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just like you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Take a home when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do.
Like I'm the man, yeah. But I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, 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 no. Don't hold no ring. Yeah. Good against better than nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas on the ghost right there. of my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We up what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Ray can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Push it on the button like a button. Keep on time, still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit bumping, jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, it's Southeast. Gotta clap into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mac 11s. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I fly her, they call her Brazil. We get nasty, I'm her daddy. If I know a nigga ain't average. Girl, nothing wrong with fake asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunting. If fourth down, we ain't butting it. Think of this truck, I'm can't come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle. Villains and anaconda shit. Hey,
But I was counting up like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, don't hold no ring.
Flex a nigga, he from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a flip, the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been a driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a fit. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major lick. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6, told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move, do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew, I grab my Glock. If it do a lot, but it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse, colors like a fork. He got a ring, I guess he ain't divorced. Wife probably a whore, now she woke up, she strutting her stuff. This bitch thick as fuck, got in the truck, kissed him on his lip. He cupping up, but now I sneak up, crouching like a tiger, like Snoop up the white, a block on fire. So I take a cost, mess for Michael White. I'm on his ass, keeping up be mad. He gon' beat her ass, but this what happened. I got to the door, I thought I was capping. I was like, cause that go to up, yelling that was cracking. I'm like, what? I'm like, nigga, who? I was born to shoot, I got aim. I'm like Johnny Dane, when it come to change. So I ride, hit one in his arm, hit one in his thigh. This no lie, bitches do or die. You say you gon' slide, you got some nerve. Your shit on the curb, boy, we put in work from 64. And from 65th, we not from 63rd.